Yo, what's going on, guys? It's been a minute. It's been like almost a whole month since you guys have last seen me, but I just want to let you guys know I still been on my trading journey. We've been going strong, man, and we've been getting even better since the last time you guys have seen me. And yeah, we're gonna do a trade recap today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little trade recap. It's been a minute, but trade recaps are coming back. I just had to work on my strategy, psychology, but now I'm back better than ever. So without further ado, let's get right into the trade I took today. I took two trades today. We won one and we lost the other, so we broke even today. But I'm gonna show you both, but first I'm gonna show you the one I won. So we took NQ longs on the one we lost, and we took NQ shorts on the. No, we took longs on both, I think, actually. Yeah, but let's go right. Let's get into it, baby. So we're on the 4-hour time frame right here, and I'm just gonna hide this right quick. Before the market opened, we were sitting at these lows right here, and I wanted to see a sweep of these lows. And once I saw the sweep of the lows, I was bullish biased after that. So yeah, right here we sweep these lows right here, these equal lows, and this low right here with this candle, right? So I'm like, okay, that's perfect. Let's go into our time frame, our lower time frame. Right here, this green line that you're seeing, this is the equilibrium from this range high to this range low, and this range low right here. So this is the equilibrium of that. So that's also why I think price wanted to, go up, tap into that equilibrium, fill the fair value gap before even dropping lower. I mean, the fair value gap already got filled right here by this little wick, but I was confident in price revisiting that, but it did not quite happen. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So right here, this line right here, this is the sweep, and then market opens at 9:30 New York time. So yeah, market opened, and the liquidity sweep happens, right? And we're kind of just going up and down, and then we get a huge leg up on the 5-minute. And I'm like, okay, this is looking good. I want to see a break of structure on the 5-minute. That might have been where I went wrong, because I missed the whole entire move up before we even got a break of structure. But I've learned in the past to, even if we have a break of structure on the 1-minute after sweeping liquidity, it's not guaranteed that it's going to go up, because higher time frame holds higher power. So I wanted to at least see a 5-minute break of structure, which we got. So as soon as I saw this 5-minute break of structure, I scaled into the 1-minute over here, and perfect. So scaled in, and what I see after the 5-minute break of structure, I see a 1-minute bullish fair value gap. I mark that out. Oops, drag it over right here, and I wait for price to see if it taps in and respect it. And I see price comes in, and we get, boom, a bullish candle out of it. And my long was as soon as this candle closed right here. And I'm setting my stop loss at this low right here, and I'm setting my take profit at these range highs over here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. I'm setting my take profit right there at this high. For what is the risk reward? For like a 1.5, 1 to 1.5, which is pretty solid, not bad. But I think where I went wrong, or actually I know where I went wrong in this trade, because obviously it didn't pan out, was I should have been more aware of this 15-minute bullish fair value gap that price was currently respecting previously. Right here with these, it's getting respected, and respected, and that's why it stopped me out. So honestly, I should have just waited until we disrespected this fair value gap on the 15-minute, because right here we got a break of structure on the 15-minute, but we still respected the fair value gap, so that's why I got stopped out. Didn't really quite take in that 15-minute fair value gap into play, but other than that, I think I did a good job, like marking out my confluences, sticking to my trading plan, and executing once we saw price respect this bullish 1 minute fair value gap. But yeah, that's the first trade. And let's go into the second trade, which we actually crushed. So let's go out to the 1 hour time frame. And I'm gonna show you guys. Let me delete all this. Okay, so I'm gonna hide this really fast. So right here we have equal lows. I'm gonna mark it for you guys. Oh, it's already marked. I'll mark it again though. We have these equal lows right here, right? And we're still going down after I got stopped out. This is PM session, by the way. I lost my trade AM session, so I waited PM session for this trade. And I see a liquidity sweep right here from these range equal lows all the way right here. We sweep liquidity and boom, we rally up, right? Because before, after that, I was bearish, but after a move happened bearishly and I didn't see any confluences, I didn't want to enter, right? So as soon as I saw this liquidity sweep, my bias actually flipped to bullish. Once I saw the 5 minute breaker structure, which is right here, we get the 5 minute breaker structure with this red line. I see that. I always scale into the 1 minute after I see the 5 minute breaker structure. And yeah, same thing again. What do I see after I scale into the 1 minute? Boom, bullish fair value gap. Let me mark that out. Everything's already marked out, but I'm just gonna redo it again. And then boom, price comes into here, respects it, and I'm like, okay, this time I'm gonna wait until price respects it and we get a 1 minute breaker structure. So this red line right here, as soon as price closes above this red line, I'm going long. Price closed literally the next candle after that, and we went long, setting our first TP to this range high over here that you see with this line. And you know, that got hit pretty fast, to be honest. And then the second TP that I had was a 15 minute bearish fair value gap. So just some low hanging fruit, but I messed up on this trade and I could have done way better. I'm going to show you guys why. So first of all, if you look over here, I have these equal highs marked out, right? So let's drag it over. As you can see, if we had our second TP like right here at these highs, it would have been a 1 to 2.7 trade, which is still really solid. But I wanted to see price. Let me go to the 15 minute really fast. It's very small, but it still is a fair value gap. This fair value gap right here, this bearish 15 minute fair value gap, as you can see, price comes in and hits it. So you're like, what are you yapping about? Yeah, did you not hit your second TP? Well, I messed up, because look, let's show everything again on the 1 minute. So TP1 hits, right? So now I move my stop loss from this low to break even. So now I'm break even. Now if it reverses on me, I don't lose this trade at all, and we're good. And after I see that we sweep these highs, I was confident that it was going to keep going up, tap the 15 minute fair value gap, and then that would be good. So once I saw that these highs got hit, I moved my stop loss right here under this fair value gap, or this low, sorry, not fair value gap, this low, this black line. That's my new stop loss, right? If price comes back into there, boom, it takes me out of my position and I'm still in profit. So yeah, we sweep these equal highs and then we drop, boom, stops me out there, rallies, TP2 gets hit. So there's two things I could have done better on this trade. One, I could have set my second TP on these equal highs and had the thing totally take me out for like a 1 to 2.7 or whatever it was. Or I remain with my second TP on the fair value gap, and I don't trail my stop loss so tightly, and maybe I put it at this low instead of that low, because what price really did, if we go on the 5 minute chart, as soon as it swept these equal highs, we have a 5 minute bullish fair value gap on a 5 minute time frame, and all price did was tap into it to rally higher, right? And our stop was below this. So we should have took account of that and maybe just set it below this 5 minute fair value gap or something like that. or on the 1 minute, just maybe not trailed it so tightly. But for sure, what I'm going to do next time, if we have equal highs for our TP2 like this, I'm just going to set my TP2 on the equal highs and just maybe have a runner or 2 runners or something like that. But yeah, so yeah, it ended up still being a pretty solid trade, but it could have been way better if I just had the TP2 at the equal highs. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for letting me yap to you guys about this trade recap video. I'm gonna start a funded account journey starting July, so that's gonna be fun. You guys won't miss that because I'm gonna be posting that on my YouTube channel. But yeah, guys, we're back. We never left. Honestly, we still been grinding every day, doing the same thing. But I just stopped uploading because I felt like I needed to improve on just everything. Because I'm 3 months into trading, and like a week from now, I'll be 3 months new to trading still. So, but yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out.